Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. For those who have TCL TV, especially this P635, which is just launched on 2023 on March. This one is a 58-inch P635. My problem is like my father too old and don't know how to operate the TV. So he wanted like switch off all the this power, and then suddenly when switch on back, uh, they have the TV show automatically on the TV. But no, for TCL TV, when you switch off the power, it will automatically bring you to this home Google TV. Okay, so let me show you how to set to make it suddenly into your desired TV. So in case, like example, input cable. So this is a Astro Enjoy on the TV. So it's like a TV HDMI, right? So if I switch off, okay, and then switch on back, have to switch on this. The Astro box also just want to see, it takes time, and then brings you to home. You make it straight away goes to your desired channel, like into TV. So HDMI connect. So you have to go to this Magic Connect, and then when you connect with the TV, so you go to me, and then default page, you go to me, not home, category application, me. So when you select me, it will automatically when you switch off the TV and switch on, automatically goes to whatever desire, like HDMI or whatever lah. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.